Hey, Mike Foster here. Guess what it is? Another episode of Mike Eats the Street. Today, going to a Mexican chicken place that is huge here in the West. I first discovered it over 30 years ago in California, and I fell in love with it, and it's changed quite a bit since then. It's called El Pollo Loco. That's how it's pronounced, El Pollo Loco, which means the crazy chicken. And these guys were known for making this nice grilled chicken with a lot of nice seasonings. Oh, it's delicious. But they've expanded. They make a lot of healthy options. Today I'm gonna get a wrap, avocado chicken wrap. Well, let's just go there and find it. Check it out. Mike Eats the Street. See what these guys have here. Well, they've got double chicken nachos. They got grilled fired nachos, under 500. That's what my wife wants. She wants that avocado chicken wrap. Maybe I'll get that. What am I gonna get? Family dinner. Good stuff here.
Pollo Loco, what can I get started for you today?
Yeah, we're gonna get the chicken avocado tortilla wrap and the double chicken avocado salad. Okay.
Okay, anything else for you today?
Just some salsa with that, please.
Okay, so the tortilla wrap and the double chicken salad is gonna be $13.83 at the window.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, just got the chicken. I'm gonna take it home. Can't wait to eat this baby. Alrighty, I'll see you in a few. Mike Eats the Street. Alrighty, we have nice little bowls. Let's pop this one open and see what we got here. This is the salad. Here, this is the chicken here. Let's get a close-up of that chicken. Bring that up here. This is the one that they make specially. This is, it's just like I remember. That's really good. And then you can dress it with this avocado stuff here. Let's put a little of that on there. You can see how that tastes. We'll take a little lettuce, a little chicken, a little avocado. Okay, let's try this bite. Let me see. It's really good. Really good. That avocado dressing is really good. Nice taste. The chicken is killer. Full of protein, healthy for you. Let's take a peek at my wife's food. These are like chicken avocado wraps. Looking at a little corn, a little cheese, a little chicken. Let's try Mike Eats the Street. This is El Pollo Loco. This is very, very good, healthy for you. Let's try one more bite. Creamy avocado, nice grilled tortilla. For more episodes like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time. Keep eating the street. Peace.
Live life 365.
Need a fork for this, huh? You might as well just use this plastic fork. All right, now my wife's done holding the camera, and she's mad at me because I ate her lunch, so I have to make it up to her now. Sweet babu. I'm going to